Hi everyone, a very good evening to all of you and welcome back to my channel Fluent Odisha. This is me, Rudra Dharwa. Today I am going to have a brief discussion with a few students of mine. Though I do not have a huge number of students in my offline institute or in my offline class, but yeah, two or three students are here who are able to speak English, and yeah, I have got two or three new learners as well, but they are still in the beginning stage. Okay, but I think after a few days I will definitely bring them into camera and you can see their improvement within a month, guys. They have been coming to my offline institute for the last 1 month, and they have completed their basic thing in this language, and yeah, they have started speaking as well. But yeah, very soon I'll bring them. So guys, I don't know how you are practicing, what strategy you are applying in your English to improve, but I always suggest to everyone to follow only one simple way to learn this language, guys. If you are really a fresher, you know nothing about this English, remember few vocabulary, few nouns, okay, some pronouns, then start making sentences. Once you are able to make sentences, start making by speaking, because first of all we learn by writing, then we convert that into speaking. So once you complete making sentences properly by writing, then you have to start making sentences by speaking, guys. You know that we are not learning this language to write, okay, but yeah, our priority is to speak this language. So that is what I always suggest and I always apply in my English too. Whichever new sentences I get, and if I come across with any new words, then I uh, you know just make sentences using those new words, and I become good at that. So yeah, so as you can see, I'm holding my handheld mic, which is looking like what, guys, what anchor, I think, who speaks on the stage. I think those people are called anchor. So yeah, I really love to speak on the stage holding mic, guys, but yeah, till now I have not got that opportunity. But yeah, if I show my dedication in this way, in this language, and in the future, if I become a good English trainer, then I will definitely speak on the stage and influence many people, guys. So I'm not only throwing my words, but you can say this is my strong determination, which I have determined uh, in 2018, guys, but I'm still continuing it. So yeah, it's a great effort and it's a great perseverance also, you can say, that I am showing in my English. So okay, well, so guys, so now let me talk to this boy as well something. you know uh, I don't know what I will ask you, but whatever you are going to speak, feel free and show your emotion, feelings in your English words, okay? Okay, so a few days ago you received many guests from other villages, okay? So how were you in those days?
I was
Hmm.
good in those days, and there is a ring ceremony,
Hmm.
and my brother-in-law belongs to a village.
Hmm.
That village name is Bijapati, and
Hmm.
nearby are Kesinga, I think.
Not near, okay, near, directly go say nearby Kesinga or near Kesinga?
Near Kesinga.
Hmm.
And my brother-in-law gave my sister
Hmm.
a mobile phone and Bluetooth
Earbud.
earbud, and
Hmm. Okay, is your sister excited about getting married?
I don't know because uh,
Because
I have not noticed
that,
anything.
but yeah, whenever I see her, yeah, she is very happy, she is very satisfied,
Yeah,
and
she is very
she is totally ready to get married as well. So yeah, that's great. If she has her own interest to get married to that guy, then yeah, it would be a great what is called that, a desire or great decision as well, I would say.
Yeah, but I think she will cry.
When she will leave your family or what?
Yeah,
Of course, not only your sister will cry, but also every
every
girl
day, every day.
every day. Why?
Like, because my sister cannot leave our family.
Absolutely, because now you still have three sisters and they
Yeah.
both are what is called very closed. Okay, all the time they go outside together and they do everything together.
Yes.
So when she will leave for two younger sisters, she will definitely feel lonely in that unknown village. And yeah, for few months, yeah, she will suffer from this anxiety or this loneliness. Yeah, after that, yeah, she will
I think there
be engaged
are
there.
means few girls. I think.
In your brother-in-law's family,
Yeah.
then I think it would be good for
Not
her.
family means nearby house.
On your okay, near their house.
Yeah.
Of course, if there are houses and if there are people, then obviously there will be girls as well. And yeah, if she will be familiar with those girls, then I don't think that she will miss a lot to your sisters.
Yeah.
So what about you? Will you miss your sister or not?
Of course, I miss my sister, and I feel like sad someday, and then I feel good.
After that, you will be neutral.
Yeah.
Okay, that's really great. So I'm really satisfied with your English because you are showing your emotion feelings in your English words, and that is what I want from you as well, right?
Okay.
Because you have not started this journey recently, but it's a long journey that you have been running or you have been walking in this journey. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, all right. So now, okay, you also come.